Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by initializing the project and getting Typescript in place. Run npm init, then install Typescript as a dev dependency. Once done, run tsc init and set an outdier, usually, /dist so compiled JS lands separately. Now create src/index, ts and add a small function or console. Log so compilation is meaningful. Make sure to save files, because the compiler reads disk state. This lets you move immediately into compilation, and HTML, linking in the next step. You now turn Typescript into browser-ready JavaScript. Run npx tsc to compile into the outdier. Use tsc watch for iterative editing. If your code uses import/exports, bundle the output with sbuild, webpack, or parcel into a single file to simplify script tags. Make sure tsconfig target matches browsers you support. Choose ES5 for older support or ES 2015+ for modern features. Once bundled, check the generated file size and path so you can reference it from HTML without runtime. You finish by linking the compiled script into your HTML and verifying runtime behavior. Put a script tag with src pointing to your bundled or compiled JS file and include defer so DOM is ready. Open the page and use DevTools console. Enable source maps in tsconfig and your bundler so errors point to TS lines. If nothing runs, check file paths, server MIME types, and that the bundler used the correct entry file. One key troubleshooting tip: enable source maps and inspect the console for exact Typescript line numbers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.